Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 92 Chevy Blazer. There you can see it's got custom wheels on it, oversized tires that are almost new. Just want to point, it used to have a pinstripe so you can kind of see a ghost stripe there a little bit, but it was fading so we buffed it off. Hood looks good, got a little bit of clear coat coming off here. This is a Washington truck. No rust on it. Like I said, you can kind of, there you can see in the light a little bit more, and up here where it's faded a little bit, so got one fade spot up there. But pretty nice rig, does got some miles on, but I drove this thing about probably 60-80 miles. It drives great. It's got 279 748. Runs good, got good oil pressure, gauges all work. Here's your blinker to the left, blinker to the right. You can hear the radio in the background and the fan. Locks work. Mirror works. That's a little sticky, but it does work. Yep, mirror works. There's your window. Switch over to the right side. Yep, mirror works. And the windows. So headliner's in a little tough shape, just some age. Been ripped a little bit and sagging. Same with your visors. But for the most part, the interior is pretty nice. The seats are nice. Back seat's nice. So got a little bit of tear where you get in right there. You're going to see a few touch-ups here and there, and then of course this kind of, we'll call it a ghost pinstripe now. It looks a lot better than it did with the faded one on it. There you hear it, sounds good. This is probably this door, they cleared over it, so to get it off I had to go a little too deep, so that is the one issue on the body now because of that. So, but you know, 4-wheel drive, 2-door Blazer for under 10 grand. Pretty good rig, runs and drives good. So any questions? 605-695-7391.